Hey, what's up my friends? Welcome back to the Sprinkler Supply Store. Today's product overview is going to be the Rainbird QF Dripline Header. If you're not familiar with the header, it's a supply line that feeds multiple rows of dripper line. And Rainbird has come out with this product so that you don't have to insert your own fittings or cut PVC or cut poly and insert all those T's and male adapters. You can purchase, this is it right here, a roll. This is a piece of a roll that you can simply use this pre-installed compression fitting to apply your dripper lines to the header. And the reason I wanted to make this video is because the product online looking at it online doesn't do it justice. It's easier to see it in real life. And I have a roll right here that I wanted to bring out because these rolls are huge. So if you're ordering this, expect a really large package to show up. And Rainbird has these pre-installed every 12 or 18 inches on center so that you can put your dripper lines directly on them. And yeah, so I wanted to show you this in real life so you can get the size and the scale of it. You can also see in this example, I actually put a piece of Netafim Techline CV onto this fitting, so you can use the Rainbird drip line header for not just Rainbird dripper line, but you can use it for Netafim drip or Hunter drip line as well. The other thing I have here is a video to show you that can be found on Rainbird's website, and let's just take a look at it real quick. We'll only probably roll about 20 seconds of it, but it might help you get a little bit of an idea on how this works and how you might be able to use it in your landscape. So let's go ahead and play the video.
The Rainbird QF Dripline Header is the industry's first flexible coiled dripline header. Its patent-pending design makes header and exhaust installations easy. You'll save time and money using a single 100-foot coil of QF Dripline header versus building a large header from scratch using 100 feet of PVC and making 100 cuts, and using hundreds of fittings and adapters, plus tape and glue. No more measuring, cutting, gluing, and taping. Simply grab and go. Using the same reliable self-dispensing coil as other Rainbird XF series.
So there you go, you get the idea. It's all pre-manufactured to save you time and provide a better installation, because if you're using dripper line either subsurface on turf grass or subsurface in a garden bed, or not even subsurface, but on areas that are curved, creating those headers can be more difficult. So with this Rainbird QF Dripline Header, it's just going to be easier. So I hope that helps. If we can help answer any more questions about Rainbird drip supplies or Rainbird controllers, valves, sprinklers, etc., we're here to help you. You can reach us by phone, chat, and email. And until the next Sprinkler Supply Store product overview, happy sprinkling. We'll talk to you then.